Okay guys, let's have a go at question 6 then. We've got 4x squared e to the x. This is like stepping down a series of steps. We're 2 steps off the final solution here, aren't we? So let's just proceed. So this would be v and this is du dx. Let's draw our grid. And v is equal to 4x squared. And then du dx is equal to e to the x, isn't it? So dv dx will equal 8x and du will equal e to the x. Okay, that's everything we need. Let's let that be I. So I equals then, it would be uv, so 4x squared e to the x. Yeah, minus the integral of u dv dx, so it would be 8x e to the x. Yeah, so that's equal to then 4x squared e to the x minus 8 lots of the integral of x e to the x dx. There we go. So we're a step nearer the solution. This is a sub-problem here. So let's circle that and let that equal j. Draw a line across the page and let's do the problem for j then, shall we? So j equals then, we're going to let this be v and this be du dx. So we need to draw our grid like so. V equals x, du dx equals e to the x, yeah? So dv dx is 1, and u is equal to integral of e to the x is e to the x. So the answer then for j is uv, so that'd be x e to the x, minus the integral of u dv dx, which is u dv dx, which is e to the x times 1. So it's just e to the x. So j equals then x e to the x minus the integral of e to the x is e to the x. So that's that problem done then. Let's draw a line across the page and we can finish off with our original problem. So I equals then, we've got 4x squared e to the x minus 8 of j, which is x e to the x minus e to the x bracket plus a k at the end. And let's just squeeze it in down here. It's 4x squared e to the x. Expand the bracket, minus 8x e to the x, and then you've got a plus, haven't you? 8e to the x plus a k. There we go. That's the final problem then, that's the solution. So notice how we had to step down twice. We had to apply the integration by parts. So this was v, and this is du, and by doing so we're going to get a problem which is one step nearer the solution. Because that was of an order 2, this is of order 1, x e to the x. So this is an easier integral, isn't it? And then if we apply the same approach, we'll step from this one step away from the solution to actually an integral that we can do because it's a standard integral. We get the answer for j. Notice we draw a line across the page to do a sub-problem, and we did that so that it reminds us to return to the original problem and put the pieces back together. Here we had that term there, minus 8 lots of j, and j was this value here. We put a plus k at the end, as we do customarily. So this is the first term, expand the bracket, double minus on the second one, make it plus. And there's the final answer. Okay then, so that's question 6 done. Good. Let's go on to the next one. Great.